Hello, my name is Dominic. Today we are going to see how you solve exponential equations with like bases. So we begin with this simple one here. 3 raised to the power x equals 81. Now we can immediately identify 81 as a power of 3. So we can write this to be equal to 9 times 9. 81 is 9 times 9, but 9 is 3 times 3, so we write this as equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and this is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, so we can write this as 3 raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power 4. Since the bases are the same, 3 and 3, we equate the indices, and so we write x is equal to 4 as the solution to this simple exponential problem. The next problem we have here, 5 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 125. Again, we immediately notice that 125 is a power of 5, which we can write as equal to 5 times 25. Again, 25 is 5 times 5, so we write this as equal to 5 times 5 times 5. This is equal to 5 raised to the power 3, so we write 5 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 5 raised to the power 3. Again, the bases are the same, 5 and 5. We equate the indices or the powers, so we write this as x plus 1 is equal to 3. We subtract 1 from both sides to make x the subject, so we have x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1. X is equal to 2, since 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is a solution. So our third example here is 2 raised to the power 3x is equal to 16. Again, 2 or 16 is a power of 2. So we write this as equal to 2 times 8. This is equal to 2 times 2 times 4. This is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and we write this as 2 to the power 4. So we shall write 2 raised to the power 3x is equal to 2 raised to the power 4. Again, the bases are the same, 2 and 2, so we equate the powers. So 3x is equal to 4. We divide both sides by 3 to make x the subject. So we have that 3x over 3 is equal to 4 over 3. This 3 will cancel this one, and we're left with x is equal to 4 over 3. Again, we have another problem here to solve for x. 7 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 49. As before, we immediately notice that 49 is a power of 7. So we write this as equal to 7 times 7 raised to the power x. This is equal to 7 squared raised to the power x. And this is equal to 7 raised to the power 2x. So here we are using the power rule or rule of exponents, which says that if you have x raised to the power m, all of that raised to the power n, this is the same as x raised to the power m times n. So that is what we use here to have this. So here we have that 7 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 7 to the power 2x. The bases are the same, so we write or we equate the powers. So x minus 2 is equal to 2x. We make x the subject, bringing like terms together. So we first do this by adding 2 on both sides of the equation. So we have that x minus 2 plus 2 equals 2x plus 2. And so we have that x equals 2x plus 2. But again, we still have x on the right hand side here. So we subtract 2x from both sides. So we have that x minus 2x is equal to 2x plus 2 minus 2x. This gives us 2, since 2x minus 2x is 0. And here on the left hand side, x minus s gives us minus x, and that is equal to 2. Now, to make x the subject here, we either divide both sides by minus 1 or multiply both sides by minus 1. So if we do that, we have that minus x over minus 1 is equal to 2 over minus 1, and that is equal to minus 2. So x equals minus 2. The next problem we have here is 9 raised to the power x plus 1 equals 27 raised to the power 2x minus 1. Now, 27 is not a power of 9, but 9 and 27 are both powers of 3. So we can write the left hand side as 3 squared all raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 cubed all raised to the power 2x minus 1. The bases are the same, so we can write this as 3 raised to the power 2 times x plus 1 equals 3 raised to the power 3 times 2x minus 1. Again, we are using the rule that says x raised to the power m raised to the power n is the same as x raised to the power m times n. So here, the bases are the same. So we'll write 2x into x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2x minus 1. We multiply this out, we have that 2x plus 2 is equal to 6x minus 3. Yeah, 6x minus 3. We bring like terms together. So we have that 2x minus 6x is equal to minus 3 minus 2. 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So we divide both sides by minus 4 to get x. So we have that minus 4x over minus 4 is equal to minus 5 over minus 4. Minus 4 cancel minus 4, and we're left with x on the left hand side is equal to 5 over 4. Because here we have minus over minus is plus. minus 1 over minus 1 is plus. So x is 5 over 4.